So having recently done the oil change and service on my Clio, what I've now got is the service due light. So if I start the car, we can see what we get is the obvious mileage up, but we've also got our service warning spanner. The car goes through its normal checks, oil level correct. Once it's gone through the messages, or once it's gone through its systems, obviously it will work out and then it will tell us that the service is due now. Okay, then once we've got that message up, what we're going to do, just using the menu buttons here, just down here, we're going to use this, we're just going to go up through them. So up once, we just get our range, go all the way through slowly. Then once we get back through round to service, I'm now going to press and hold the button here, just press and hold it. After about 5 to 10 seconds or so, that should start flashing. Service now due, service due in 12,000 miles. The spanner light goes out, I let go of the button on my finger, and there we go. We've now got service due in 12,000 miles. So if you found that useful, remember to hit like down below. If you haven't done so already, remember to hit subscribe coming up here now. Like I always say, the more likes and subscribers I get, the more videos I'm going to keep making. So for now, really appreciate you watching. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.